I have noticed that real welders don't have to boast about what they do because others will boast about what they just done. Think about it. Um, I had a person tell me a long time ago when I got started into the welding field that he said, don't ever walk on the site and boast and brag, and then someone show you out it, or you look uneducated in something because you was having your chest out and you shouldn't, or even if you should have your chest out, you still have a situation. That man, just be humble. And he said, you know what you should say when you walk on a job site, even if you're confident, you know what I mean? He said, just say, I can hold my own. You say, all right. And if you don't know something, just say, hey, I don't know how to do that, but explain this here to me real quick, and I knock that out for you. You know what I mean? Don't be afraid to say, I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't understand what you're really saying because sometimes the terms are different. We travel. Some people are Southern, some people are Eastern, Western, whatever, Midwest. And sometimes our terms or our sayings are different. So sometimes, you just don't know. Or you might be doing a project that you're just not familiar with the codes. You know what I mean? So I just want to say that being a shop welder or a field welder, you know, pipe welder, whatever you want to claim that you are, you know, a lot of people want to be brag and boast about how pretty they can make their welds. There's nothing wrong with that. I can make some pretty welds, when the situation is perfect that requires and allows me to make that perfect weld. But when you do field welding like I do, sometimes the environment, the situation you in might be rocking, might be tight, might have to use a half a rod. Sometimes you might be in a situation where it might not be perfect looking, but it's perfect. It ain't gonna leak, it ain't gonna be good. You know what I mean? So I'd have been in all situations. But I don't like to boast, and brag, like to say, oh, I'm just this welder. But I will say, um, I'm a hustler. I'm a go getter. I'm gonna knock on doors. I'm gonna look for opportunities. I'm gonna keep things going for myself. You know. So, but when I walk on a job site, I just say, hey, I can hold my own. You know what I mean? Because I know I can hold my own. Because I know I don't have to boast or brag about what I can do. Once I'm given the opportunity, I'm gonna show you what I can do. And that's why I say, welders, we don't have to boast or brag. You know what I mean? All we have to do is just show up and show out. How gone?